off with section 5.3, connecting f prime and f double prime with the graph of f. So in question 7, they're asking us to find when it's concave up and concave down. We'll use Texas T1-nspire XX in order to solve this question. So let's start off with finding the y prime. Y prime is 12x squared plus 21 times 2 is 42 x plus 36. In order to check the y prime in the calculator, all you have to do is click here and then choose the derivative of x. We'll plug the numbers: 4x to the power of 3 plus 21x squared plus 36x minus 20. Check it, it's correct. And then they want the concave up and concave down. So in order to find them, we have to find the y double prime. So this time it's going to be 24x plus 42. In order to find the y double prime in the calculator, click here, the double prime of x, and then plug on the equation. And the answer is going to be 24x plus 42. Moving on. After that, we have to write y double prime equals to 0. Therefore, it's going to be 24x plus 42 equals to 0. In order to find it in the Texas, all you have to do is menu 3. So we found x as negative 1.75, and then y double prime equals to does not exist. We don't have anything that does not exist, so no. Moving on. So after we found the x value when y double prime equals to 0, we have to draw the number line to make it easier for us. Let's have negative 1.75 in the middle. Now let's take a number that is less than negative 1.75 and a number that is more than negative 1.75. For example, less than it, let's take negative 10. More than it, let's take 10. And then plug on f double prime of negative 10 equals to what? Let's plug negative 10 in the y double prime. Negative 10 times 24 plus 42 is gonna be negative value. So let's write it as a negative value. The value is not important, we only want to find the sign. So before negative 1.75 is negative. Let's check after. So f double prime of 10 equals to 10 times 24 plus 42. The answer is gonna be positive. So after negative 1.75, it's gonna be positive. Therefore, here we can know if it's either concave up or concave down. This is gonna be concave down, and this is gonna be concave up. So let's write the concavity. It's concave up at from negative infinity to negative 1.75. Sorry, this one's concave down. And then concave up at negative 1.75 to infinity. Alright, so now we found the concavity, but let's assume that they asked us as well about the inflection point. How are we going to find the inflection point? So the inflection point is when the concave changes its direction. So instead of concave up, it goes to concave down. So as you can see here at negative 1.75, it's changing. Therefore, it's going to be inflection point at x equals to negative 1.75. Therefore, we're going to find negative 1.75, and in order to find the y value, it's going to be f of negative 1.75. So now let's write f of negative 1.75 in the calculator. So let's go back to the original formula. 4 times brackets negative 1.75 to the power of 3 plus 21 times negative 1.75 all squared plus 36 times negative 1.75 minus 20. The answer is gonna be, so here we have negative 1.75 as the x value, and the y value is gonna be negative 40.125, sorry. And that's it. Thank you.